Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a face mask. Here with me today is my fabric and I'm going to be measuring this fabric 10 by 9. The width is going to be 10 while the length is going to be 9. So while doing a face mask, you also want to make sure that you make use of a lining. So I'll be measuring my lining 8 by 6. I'll be cutting 2 pieces of this lining and I'm going to measure the both of them 8 by 6. The length is going to be 6 while the width is going to be 8. Moving on, I'm going to fold the edges of my lining and then press it down. Everything that I'm going to be doing in this video is going to be hand stitched because I do not have any form of sewing machine with me here today, so I'm just going to hand stitch everything. After hand stitching, you want to make sure that you place your both linings on your main fabric and then stitch the edges of the lining to the fabric. So I'm done stitching at this point. I'm just going to turn the lining over to the other face and then I'm just going to press everything down with my pressing iron so that it stays flat. So this is the surface of my fabric. I'm just going to pinch and fold the surface 3 times. While doing this, you want to make sure that you pin the edges so that it doesn't unravel. So I'm going to pinch and fold 3 times. The first one that I'm going to do, I'm going to press that so that everything stays flat. Thereafter, I'll be pressing the second and also the third. I really want to plead and oblige to everyone watching this video today that you all should please watch the ads that are being displayed on this video, because that is how I actually know if you guys are enjoying my work, my videos, and if my time was not wasted in any way. And that is also how I get paid. So please guys, watch the ads that are being displayed on this video. Thank you all so much. So on the third, I'm just going to press everything down. Once I'm done, I'm just going to press everything down. So for the edges of this fabric, I'm going to remove the pins that I placed on them before and I'm just going to fold the edges properly, then hand stitch everything. If you have a sewing machine, please do make use of your sewing machine. It's actually faster when you make use of a sewing machine. You can actually hand stitch if you want to by yourself. You do not necessarily have to take it to a tailor. So I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to hand stitch. I'm going to pass my needle through the fabric and then I'm going to place it at the same spot. Pass it through again and then pass it under the fabric the way you can see me do. In that way, the thread hides inside the fabric and not on top the fabric. I do hope that you guys understand, but if you watch this video clearly, if you watch everything that I'm doing, you guys will definitely understand how I was able to do this. I'm basically hiding the thread under the fabric. So here with me right now is my elastic band. I'm just going to sew this, I'm going to stitch this to the edges of the fabric. So guys, here we have it. I already have my band placed on the face mask. I'm just going to put in a non-woven fabric inside the face mask, and at this point I'm done with everything. I'm just going to wear this on my face so that you guys see how it looks. I love you all so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.